Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing G Jr. from Alphabet Lore. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, let's first start off near the top and let's draw the eyes. We'll start by drawing a rounded square shape. Next, let's hop inside and let's do the same thing. And now let's color this one in black. And that's it for the first eye. Now let's draw the next one behind it on the top left. Let's start on top on the left and let's draw a curve up. Then curve it out. Then down. And back in. And now let's do the same thing inside. And then color this one in black as well. And that's it for the eyes. Now let's move down and draw the mouth. We'll start under the left eye and let's draw a curve down and bring it up on the right. Then a curve down from both ends. And that's it for the mouth. Now let's move out and draw the shape of the body. We'll start on top of the left eye and let's draw an angled line up and over to the right. Then continue the line on the bottom side of the eye and curve it down, stopping here. Now before we continue the body, let's draw the pink spot on the cheeks. Underneath the line here, let's draw a rounded rectangle. And then hop over to the right side next to the mouth and let's do the same thing. And that's it for the cheeks. Now let's finish drawing the shape of the body. Let's hop back over to the left side and let's draw a curve down and then angle it over to the right. Then for the end, let's step up and let's draw a curve down and out. Now move back up to the top line and let's continue it by curving it all the way down and underneath. Now from the top line, let's curve it out, stopping here. And the same thing from the bottom, but longer like this. Now for the inside line, let's angle it in, and then curve the outside line in as well. And now let's connect them with an angled line. And that's it for G Jr. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!